In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer quote in Kashflow for the year 2025. Let's dive right in and make this task as smooth as possible for you. First, open your web browser and head over to the Iris Kashflow website. Simply type in the URL or click on the link you have, which looks something like app.cashflow.com. Once you're there, log in with your user credentials. This is your starting point and where all the magic happens. Now that you're logged in, look towards the left sidebar where you'll see various options. Click on Sales Quotes from this menu. This section is your hub for managing all things related to quotes, and it's designed to keep things organized and easy to access. Next, you'll want to click on Create a Sales Quote. This is the first step in actually putting together a quote, and it should open up a new page or a form for you to fill in. It's essential to stay attentive here because the details you enter will form the foundation of your quote. In this section, you will need to enter all the necessary sales details. This generally includes the customer information, date, and other pertinent details that apply to the quote you're sending. Don't rush. Take your time to fill everything in accurately to prevent any corrections later. After filling out the sales details, find the option to add a line item and click on it. Line items are critical because they detail the specific products or services you are quoting for. Be precise here. The accuracy of what you enter will directly affect the final quote. After adding the line item, move on to enter the rate. Click on Rate to specify the cost associated with the line item you've just added. Make sure that the rate you've entered reflects what was discussed with the customer.